video for you. Have had this Royal Typewriter for quite a bit now. I believe it's a 1953 model. Quiet Deluxe. What I'm doing today with it is fixing up it a bit. Cleaning up these keys. They've got this corrosion on them. Trying to get that off. Trying to fix up the case quite a bit. It's got some corrosion on it. Gotta fix that. Another thing is I had an old ribbon in here. It doesn't work anymore, so I bought one off of Amazon to stick in there. Someone a ribbon with fresh ink so that you can type with it. So, and another thing is the keys are a bit sticky, a bit gummed up in there, so I gotta fix all that, clean all that. So that I can use it so I can type. Yeah, that's all gummed up there. I don't even touch the paper. But yeah, let me show you the condition of the case. So here's the case. Not too bad, not too shabby. Still its original green color. Down here on the chrome bits, there are like some rust issues, just some tarnishing that I'd hope to get off. But yeah, right here, there's some black marks of just how the typewriter sits in there and locks into place. They've got some dark circles in there. Hopefully, I can clean that up and make it all nice again, like it used to look. Yeah, quite a bit of tarnishing on the outside. Some rust. So hopefully I can clean all that up and then show you guys what it looks like in the end. But yeah, that's what I'm working on today. Here's actually the old ribbon that was in there. I don't know how old this is. But like I said before, I ordered some on Amazon. Just buy new typewriter ribbon that's all inked up, ready to go. This is quite a bit old. It's got some tears in it. Whatnot. Doesn't work at all. So I really got to fix this up so it's in good typing condition. Yeah. Anyways, yep, it's a Royal 1953 typewriter, Quiet Deluxe. So I'll get back to you when I actually wait. I guess I'll show you what I'm using to clean it. Well, I'm cleaning it with Brasso. It's a metal polish. They get all that chrome fixed up. I'm wearing gloves with that because it can irritate the skin, and I just don't want to get that stuff on my hands. I can wash it off, but got some Q-tips to maybe clean the keys with. Got some steel wool to brush up the metal, maybe make the Brasso take easier. And I've got some alcohol to hopefully clean up the keys and how they're stuck and everything. But there you have it. There's my cleaning materials and the typewriter. So, yep, see you guys when I start cleaning this up. Alright, see you in a bit.